Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. मुझे थोड़ी देर सोचने दो. Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while. अपनी जिंदगी खराब मत करो. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. मैं आपसे तंग आ चुका हूँ. I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ. I am angry with you. I am angry with you. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. मेरे पास आपके लिए कुछ है. I have something for you. I have something for you. तुम रो क्यों रही हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? मुझे मेरा काम करने दो. Let me do my work. Let me do my work. ये काम तो बड़ा मुश्किल है. This task is very difficult. This task is very difficult. उसे धोखा मत दो. Don't cheat him. Don't cheat him. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. ये बहुत महंगा है. It is very costly. It is very costly. तुम इस लायक हो. You deserve it. You deserve it. आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. I will think about it. मेरा फ़ोन कहाँ है? Where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? तुम इतने हैरान क्यों हो? Why are you so surprised? Why are you so surprised? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. तुम बहुत चालाक हो. You are very clever. You are very clever. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. वह दौड़ सकता है. He can run. He can run. मैं उसे हरा सकता हूँ. I can defeat him. I can defeat him. मैं काम नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm not working. I'm not working. वह एक व्यापारी है. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. तुमने मेरा काम नहीं किया. You didn't do my work. You didn't do my work. तुम्हारा डरना जायज है. Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. क्या उसे जरूरत थी? Did he need it? Did he need it? मुझे अपने काम से प्यार है. I love my work. I love my work. वह एक चालाक महिला है. She is a clever lady. She is a clever lady. मैं अकेला गया था. I went alone. I went alone. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. वहाँ कौन है? हु इज देयर? हु इज देयर? वो क्या है? वॉट इज दैट? वॉट इज दैट? मुझे सब पता है। आई नो एवरीथिंग। आई नो एवरीथिंग। मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। आई एम ट्राइंग। आई एम ट्राइंग। मैं सीखूंगा। आई विल लर्न। आई विल लर्न। मिलते रहना। कीप इन टच। कीप इन टच। मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। आई अग्री विथ यू। आई अग्री विथ यू। तुम क्या चाहते हो? वॉट डू यू वॉन्ट? वॉट डू यू वॉन्ट? मुझे कुछ काम है। आई हैव सम वर्क। आई हैव सम वर्क। मैं पढ़ नहीं सका। आई कुड नॉट स्टडी। आई कुड नॉट स्टडी। आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? इसे फिर से कहना। Say it again. Say it again. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. खुद पर विश्वास रखो। Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है। This is too much. This is too much. मुझे परेशान मत करो। Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. सबसे पहले। First at all. First at all. मेरा पास लैपटॉप है। I have a laptop. I have a laptop. ये बहुत महंगा है। It's too expensive. It's too expensive. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. दिखावा मत करो। Don't show off. Don't show off. हाल ही में। Recently. Recently. ख्याल रखना। Take care. Take care. हम हार गए। We lost. We lost. मेरे साथ आओ। Come with me. Come with me. मैं आपको जानता हूँ। I know you. I know you. मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरा इंतज़ार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. क्या तुम्हें पता था? Did you know? Did you know? यह गलत है। This is wrong. This is wrong. अगली बार। Next time. Next time. पीछे रहो। Stay back. Stay back. अभी नहीं। Not now. Not now. कितना? How much? How much? किसका कॉल है? Whose call is it? Whose call is it? बुरा मत मानो। Don't mind. Don't mind. मैं वहाँ गया था। I went there. I went there. मैं रास्ते में हूँ। I am on the way. I am on the way. हम तैयार हैं। We are ready. We are ready. अंधेरा हो रहा है। It's getting dark. It's getting dark. यह किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? मैंने फिर कोशिश की। I tried again. I tried again. तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? क्या तुम सहमत हो? आर यू अग्री? आर यू अग्री? क्या बोला उसने? What did he say? What did he say? मुझसे बात करो। Talk to me. Talk to me. मेरा पीछा मत करो। Don't follow me. Don't follow me. नल खोल दो। Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. तुम दोनों। Both of you. Both of you. मेरी उंगली पकड़ो। Hold my finger. Hold my finger. कोई बात नहीं। No problem. No problem. हमेशा के लिए। Forever. Forever. जोर से बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कभी हार मत मानो। Never give up. Never give up. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. आराम से। Take it easy. Take it easy. क्या करना है? What to do. What to do. मुझे जाने दो। Let me go. Let me go. ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए। You should play. You should play. मन में याद करो। Learn in mind. Learn it in mind. वह तैयार है। He is ready. He is ready. मैं पता लगा लूँगा। I will find it. I will find it. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy right now. I am busy right now. सब कुछ ठीक है। Everything is fine. Everything is fine. सच बताओ। Tell the truth. Tell the truth. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं आपसे नाराज़ हूँ। I am angry with you. I am angry with you. मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा। I will wait. I will wait. मैं अभी टीवी देख रहा हूँ। I am watching TV now. I am watching TV now. कैसे करें? How to do. How to do. जैसी आपकी मर्जी। As you wish. As you wish. यह आपका काम है। It's your work. It's your work. जल्दी जल्दी हो सके। जितनी जल्दी हो सके। As soon as possible. As soon as possible. अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। Share with your friends. Share with your friends. आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? तुम बाहर मत जाना। Don't go out. You don't go out. उस दिन क्या था? What was on that day? What was on that day? उस दिन सोमवार था। That day was a Monday. That day was a Monday. वह ठीक नहीं है। He is not well. He is not well. मैं तुम्हें देखता हूँ। I see you. I see you. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. सब कुछ मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो। Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? इसे नीचे मत रखना. Don't get it down. Don't get it down. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to leave. I was about to leave. ये उसकी गलती है. It is his mistake. It is his mistake. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. उसका इरादा क्या है? What is his intention? What is his intention? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं सच बोलता हूँ. I speak the truth. I speak the truth. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मुझे और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me. यह गलत है. This is wrong. This is wrong. मेरे पीछे आओ. Follow me. Follow me. पहले आप. You first. You first. इसे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave it. Don't leave it. संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. कृपया बैठ जाइए. Please be seated. Please be seated. मैं याद रखूँगा. I will remember. I will remember. इसे छोड़ो. Leave it. Leave it. आपके बाद. After you. After you. मुझसे मत उलझो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. चुप रहो. Keep silent. Keep silent. लेकिन क्यों? But why? But why? इससे पूछो. Ask him. Ask him. कौन आया? Who came? Who came? कितना प्यार है. How sweet. How sweet. मुझसे पूछें. Ask me. Ask me. किसे पता? Who knows? Who knows? अब क्या? What now? What now? मुझसे मत पूछो. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. हिलना मत. Don't move. Don't move. इसे खत्म करो. Finish it. Finish it. चलो बाहर चले. Let's go out. Let's go out. ध्यान से जाना. Go carefully. Go carefully. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. मेरे साथ बैठो. Sit with me. Sit with me. तमीज से पेश आओ. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. मुझसे वादा करो. Promise me. Promise me. समझ गया। गॉट इट, गॉट इट। यह सच है। दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स ट्रू। शांत रहो। बी क्वाइट, बी क्वाइट। तैयार रहो। बी रेडी, बी रेडी। यह मत करो। डोंट डू इट, डोंट डू इट। मुझे दिखाओ। शो मी, शो मी। इसलिए, देयरफॉर, देयरफॉर। ठीक है। ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट। जल्दी करो। हरी अप, हरी अप। किसी तरह। समहाउ, समहाउ। कुछ कहो। से समथिंग, से समथिंग। लेकिन क्यों? बट वाई, बट वाई। छूना नहीं मुझे। डोंट टच मी, डोंट टच मी। मेरी बात सुनो। लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। सीधा मुद्दे पर आओ। कम टू द पॉइंट, कम टू द पॉइंट। वह बाहर है। ही इज़ आउटसाइड, ही इज़ आउटसाइड। ली।